The magic of deception, a battle of wits in a world where magic and deception collide. I, the master of illusions, stood ready to issue a challenge to my worthy opponent. The stakes were high, with the winner claiming the coveted title of magician extraordinaire. But little did they know, the game was about to take an unexpected turn. With a mischievous glint in my eye, I held up a seemingly ordinary €5 bill, taunting my opponent with a sly smile. "Behold, the magic begins," I declared, waving the bill in the air. As the music swirled around us, I began to weave a web of deceit. With a flick of my wrist, I palmed a small coin, hiding it from view. My opponent's eyes scanned the bill, searching for the trick, but I had already slipped the coin into place. "Ah, but what's this?" I exclaimed, holding up the bill once more. "A tiny hole has appeared." My opponent's eyes widened in confusion as I pretended to examine the bill, oblivious to the coin nestled within. But I was merely setting the stage for the pièce de résistance. With a flourish, I produced a second €5 bill, this one with the coin cleverly concealed within. The music reached a crescendo as I waved the bills in the air, daring my opponent to find the hidden coin. The game was afoot, and only the most skilled of magicians could unravel the mystery. With a calculated move, I palmed the coin once more, this time using my thumb to press it firmly against the bill. The tension was palpable as I slowly unfolded the bill, revealing the coin nestled within. The crowd gasped in amazement as I produced the coin, then deftly palmed it once more. With a wink, I tucked the coin into my pocket, the music fading into the background. And so, the battle of wits had come to an end. But the true magic lay not in the trick itself, but in the art of deception. For in the world of magic, the line between reality and illusion is ever blurring, and only the most cunning of magicians can truly master the art. To join the adventure and uncover more secrets of the mysterious world of magic, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teleton Plus, and get ready to be amazed by the wonders that await you.